Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. DrABJENACLASSES, faculty member of PG Department of Business Management as well as the coordinator of PG Department of Commerce, Fakinmon University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 40 vital MCQs from the management accounting. And friends, so I have prepared these 40 vital MCQs as for the CBCS syllabus, particular bcom. For the Department of Higher Education, Government of Odisha, as well as I have prepared these 30 vital MCQs as for the prescribed syllabus of SSB for the subject of commerce. Very soon you are going to appear both the CBCS, I mean the semester exams on bcom as well as the SSB exams. So before discussion, I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming, not only the board examination, SSB examination, as well as the ugc-net DrABJENACLASSES examination, as well as so these vital MCQs will be very useful and fruitful, particularly PGT exam for the subject of commerce, as well as the ugc-net DrABJENACLASSES for the subject of commerce management and other related subjects. Also, these MCQs will be much helpful for the प्रोफेशनल कोर्स लाइक ए CA, कोर्स के लिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन इफ एनी मिसमैच और गैप यू विल फाइंड, काइंडली गिव योर अवेलेबल कमेंट एंड सजेशन in the comment section. So once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel DrABJENACLASSES. So friends, without delay, let's start today's the 40 vital MCQs one after one. क्या बात है? Again I am requesting to all of you, don't skip the video, and from beginning to till end kindly you watch. Definitely you will be much comfortable for your upcoming exams. So friends, it's the part 19. I have already posted the 20 parts. Kindly go through the playlist. Definitely you will get the other important or valuable MCQs in other subjects as for the prescribed syllabus of SSB. So friends, I will have the request to all of you, kindly go through both the SSB MCQ series as well as the PGT MCQ series. So friends, it's the part 19. So first one MCQ, the fixed cost is also called as dash in marginal costing technique. So friends, so during the discussion also we will discuss the important meaning and concept so far as concerned with the management accounting, whether it's the total cost, product cost, period cost, or average cost. So friends, it's known as, what is this? The period cost. So fixed cost is also known as what? The period cost in a marginal costing technique. I have friends, some chacha, what is the meaning of fixed cost? The fixed cost, or a cost that does not change with an increase or decrease in the number of goods or services produced or sold. It's the meaning of a fixed cost. So far as the board examination is concerned, so friends, definitely you will get, that is what is the meaning or the fill in the blanks or true or false or MCQs in board exam. So that's why these 40 vital MCQs will be or are very useful and fruitful. So second one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the PV ratio is also known as what? Whether it's the gross profit ratio, contribution ratio, stock velocity ratio, net profit ratio. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. आइए friends, हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of PV ratio. So PV ratio is a financial matrix which is used to measure the relationship between the profit and sales volume of a firm. So friends, I am requesting to all of you the small numericals, just you make some exercise. The numericals may come in the SSB exam. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, what are the functional budgets of an organization? Whether the sales budget, production budgets, material budgets, master budgets, labor budget, overhead budget, cash budget, purchase budget. So friends, you have to select the right option from the following: A, all the above except 3, B, it's all the above except 4, C, it's all the above except 7, D, it's all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब, so master budget is not a functional budget. So, and the rest, the sales budget, production budget, materials budgets, overhead budgets, purchase budgets, then labor budgets, cash budgets. So these are the functional budgets of an organization. So here the master budget will not be the functional budget. So friends, I am searching on what is the meaning of budget and estimation of relevance and expenses over a specified future period of time that is re-evaluated on a periodic basis. So its meaning of a budget. So budget is that is the quantitative measures. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, the sales minus variable cost is what. हम क्या बोलेंगे और what will be the results, whether margin of safety or fixed cost, then net profit or its contribution. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Sales minus variable cost is what? It's the contribution. So friends, so these are the common questions you may always get in the board examination. So concept of contribution is also known as what? Whether it's the that is the cost volume profit, whether it's the margin of safety, gross profit, D it's the PV ratio. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So contribution is also known as what? The gross margin. So I friends, some churcha, what is the meaning of the contribution? So contribution is the difference between, friends, we have already discussed, total sales minus total variable cost. In mathematical equation, contribution is equal to what is this? It's the sales minus variable cost. So friends, you have to remember. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, all costs are treated as product cost in which costing method or techniques, whether it's the standard costing, absorption costing, marginal costing. D it's both B and C. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. All costs are treated as the product cost in where in the absorption costing as well as the marginal costing. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. Next one हम देखेंगे, the ratio between profit and PV ratio. So friends, it's a PV, it's a profit volume ratio is called what? Whether it's the angle of incidence, B it's the cost volume profit, C it's the margin of safety, D it's the cost volume profit. So it's a, friends, it's the repeated, so cost volume, that is the loss. So friends, so here C is the right option for this MCQ. In previous MCQ, so we have already discussed and one term, so it's that is the absorption costing. What is the meaning of this one? Absorption costing, a managerial accounting method for capturing all costs associated with manufacturing a particular product. It's known as what is this? The absorption costing. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the fixed costs are treated as period cost in which costing system, whether it's the standard costing, absorption costing, marginal costing, both B and C. So friends, your C is the right option for this MCQ. Hi friends, हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of marginal costing. So marginal costing refers to an increase or decrease in the total cost of production due to the changes in the quantity of the desired output. So it's the meaning of that is the marginal costing. So friends, so output matlab here what it's the production of final product. So it's the meaning of marginal costing. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, at the break even point, what is this? Whether the profit is nil, B it's the sales is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, C it's the fixed cost is equal to contribution margin, D it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. At the break even point, BEP, friends, so it stands for B stands for B break, E stands for what is this? Even, and P stands for that is the point. The profit is nil, sales is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Then the fixed cost is equal to what is this? That is the contribution margin. So friends, your D is the right option for this MCQ. What is the meaning of that is the break even point? All of us we know that the break even point where there is no profit, no loss. The level of output at which the cost of production equal to revenue. It's the meaning of the BEP or the break even point. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, a feasible budget needs careful study and classification of expenses into whether A it's the variable expenses, fixed expenses and semi-variable expenses, B it's the past expenses and the present expenses, C it's the selling expenses and factory expenses, D it's a office and administrative expense. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The flexible budget needs careful study and classification of expenses into variable expenses, fixed expenses as well as the semi-variable expenses. So friends, so here C A is the right option for this MCQ. Under marginal costing, the stock is valued at a which price, whether cost price or market price, whichever is higher. B it's C, that is the market price or cost price whichever is lower. C it's the variable cost. D it's the total cost. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Under marginal costing, the stock is valued at a variable cost. So next one MCQ देखेंगे, the budget which is prepared for a given level of activity. So this budget is known as what, और हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether variable budget, B it's the fixed budget, C it's the master budget, D it's the zero based budgeting. It's ZBB. Z stands for zero, B stands for best, B stands for budget. So here friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A budget which is prepared for a given level of activity, this budget is known as what? The fixed budget. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. So the historical cost which has already been incurred by decision made in past and cannot be changed by any decision in future, known as what? Whether sunk cost, B it's the marginal cost, C it's the standard cost, D it's the total cost. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, that the previous year data are not taken into consideration in which budget, whether variable budget, fixed budget, master budget or zero based budget. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The previous year data are not taken into consideration in ZBB, मतलब zero based budgeting. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, which statement is or which statements are true towards forecast and budget. A, forecast and budget are one and same thing. B, budget is prepared after the forecast. C is the forecast and budget both can be expressed in financial form. D is all the above. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So budget is prepared first, then budget is prepared after the forecasting or forecast. So here friends, B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the master budget integrates all dash budgets, whether flexible budgets, B is the fixed budget, C is the functional budget, D is the activity based budgets. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. We have already discussed the master budget integrates all the budgets, matlab that is the functional budgets. It may be the cash budget, sales budget, production budget, that is the overhead budgets, like this. We have already discussed in the previous one MCQ. So here friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the budget which consists of series of budgets for various levels of activity. So this budget is known as, हम क्या बोलेंगे, whether it's the fixed budget, be it the flexible budget, it's the functional budget, D it's the activity based budget. So friends, so here, so it's known as, that is the B is the right option, or it's so the flexible budget. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the production budget usually depends upon which budget, whether cash budget, B it's the performance budget, C it's the purchase budget, D it's the sales budget. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The production budget usually depends upon the sales budget. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the budgetary control is helpful for introduction of the marginal costing, responsibility accounting, standard costing, contract costing. So friends, here C is the right option for this MCQ. C, budgetary control is helpful for introduction of the standard costing. Next one MCQ देखेंगे. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करें what is the meaning of budgetary control. So budgetary control is a systematic process that helps to organization to monitor and to manage their financial performance by comparing the actual results with the planned budgets. So it's the meaning of budgetary control. So next one MCQ, the whole process of designing, implementing and operating the budgets is regarded as what? Whether it's budgeting, be it's the budget manual, budget program or budget planning. So friends, here A is the right option for this MCQ. The whole process of designing, implementing and operating the budgets is known as a budgeting. नेक्स्ट वन MCQ हम देखेंगे एक्चुअल सेल्स माइनस सेल्स एट BEP हम क्या बोलेंगे और द रिजल्ट विल बी व्हाट द मार्जिनल प्रॉफिट और मार्जिनल इनकम whether margin of safety or marginal loss. So friends, here C is the right option for this MCQ. Actual sales minus sales at BEP, it's known as the margin of safety. नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे दिस कॉस्ट आर अनअवॉइडेबल एंड सच कॉस्ट शैल नॉट बी एलिमिनेटेड विथ द डिसकंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ ए प्रोडक्ट और डिपार्टमेंट. सो दिस कॉस्ट आर नोन एज व्हाट whether it's the opportunity cost, whether committed cost, whether relevant cost, this the differential cost. So friends, your B is the right option for this MCQ. These costs are unavoidable and such costs shall not be eliminated with that is the discontinuation of a product or department. So this cost is known as a committed cost. So next one MCQ देखेंगे margin of safety is the ratio between dash and PV ratio, whether break even point, whether sales of total cost or profit. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. Margin of safety is the ratio between that is the profit and PV ratio. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे the composition of all functional heads of a firm for the effective coordination, review and implementation of budget program is called हम क्या बोलेंगे whether the budget program, budget manual, budget committee or budget business manual. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे budget committee. So next one MCQ देखेंगे which cost concept is helpful to the management to make the profitability calculation, whether opportunity cost or committed cost or relevant cost or differential cost. So friends, here A is the right option for this MCQ. नेक्स्ट वन MCQ हम देखेंगे फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट में इंक्लूड ऑल द फॉलोइंग एक्सेप्ट whether rent of the building, salary of the manager, then depreciation or sales commission expenses. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So sales commission expenses, so it's coming under that is the variable cost, but these three will come under the fixed cost. Next one MCQ marginal costing is also called what हम क्या बोलेंगे whether cost account, differential costing, standard costing or variable costing. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Marginal costing is also known as a variable costing. Next one हम देखेंगे the plant utilization budget and manufacturing overhead budgets are the types of are coming under which types of budgets, whether it's that is the production budgets, whether it's the sales budget, whether cost budget or performance budget. So friends, your C is the right option for this MCQ. Plant utilization budget and the manufacturing overhead budgets are coming under the cost budgets. Next one MCQ देखें contribution margin ratio is calculated by which technique or which method. A, it's the total contribution margin divided by sales. B, it's the sales divided by variable cost. C, it's the sales divided by contribution margin. D is the fixed cost divided by contribution margin. So friends, here A is the right option for this MCQ. Contribution margin ratio is calculated or is equal to what is this total contribution margin divided by sales. So A is the right option for this MCQ. नेक्स्ट वन MCQ हम देखेंगे डैश और कौन सा रिप्रेजेंट्स द कॉस्ट वॉल्यूम प्रॉफिट. सो फ्रेंड्स C stands for cost, B stands for volume, again the P stands for profit. So CVP equation, A it's the sales is equal to contribution margin plus fixed cost plus profit. B sales is equal to contribution margin ratio plus fixed cost plus profit. C sales is equal to variable cost minus fixed cost plus profit. D it's the sales is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost plus profit. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the use of management accounting is a, whether it's a optional, compulsory, mandatory, all the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The use of management accounting is a optional. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. I friends समझना what is the meaning of management accounting. So management accounting is the process of preparing reports about the business operation, which or that help managers to make short-term as well as the long-term decision. It's the meaning of management accounting. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. Sales for desired profit of a firm is calculated by which, whether A fixed cost plus profit into PV ratio, B a fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio, C is the PV ratio divided by fixed cost minus profit, D is the sales divided by PV ratio. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. Sales for desired profit of a business firm is calculated by fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. So here friends, B is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ, the process of budgeting is helpful in controlling what, whether capital expenditure, cost of production or liquidity, all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So this the process of budgeting is helpful to control the capital expenditure as well as the cost of production, also to maintain the liquidity. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, sales budget is a which types of budget, whether fixed budget or functional budget or master budget or performance budget. So friends, here B is the right option for this MCQ. So sales budget is a functional budget. So next one MCQ, the meaning of the contribution is what? Friends, we have already discussed. So it's the difference between sales and marginal cost of sales. B extra selling price over variable cost per unit. C it's the sum of fixed cost and variable cost. D it's both A and B. So friends, so it's both A and B. So friends, here that is the D is the right option for this MCQ. That is it's the difference between that is the sales and marginal cost of sales, or is equal to contribution is equal to what is the sales minus variable cost. Friends, so you have already discussed the extra selling price over the variable cost for each unit. So आइए friends, हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of variable cost. So variable cost, a corporate expenses that changes in production to how much a company produce or sell. They rise as production increases and falls as production decreases. It's the meaning of that is the variable cost. So next one MCQ देखेंगे. The variable cost consists of what? So friends, we have already discussed whether wages and salary expenses, electricity bills expenses, then raw material expenses, DHC, all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So these are the examples of variable cost. Next one MCQ, the PV ratio in marginal costing is improved due to if the variable cost is decreased, B is if the fixed cost is decreased, C is the selling price is increased, D is if the fixed cost and variable cost are constant. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ देखें. Under marginal costing, the cost of product consists of what? Whether prime cost and variable overheads, B, it's the prime cost and fixed overheads. C, it's the prime cost and office and administrative overheads. D, it's the prime cost and factory overheads. So friends, here A is the right option for this MCQ. Under marginal costing, the cost of product consists of what? Prime cost and the variable overheads. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, which statements are true with respect to the marginal costing. Marginal costing principles are used for internal decision making purposes. Second, it's all elements of cost are divided into fixed and variable components in marginal costing. Sixth, marginal costing is also known as variable costing. Fourth one, it's marginal costing focuses on a variable cost rather than the fixed cost. So friends, select the right option from the following. A, all the above except 2. B, all the above except 3. C, it's all the above except, it's 4. IV. D, it's all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So these are all 4 are the correct statements with regard to the marginal statement. Marginal costing. So friends, here D is the right option for this MCQ. Next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, what are the assumptions of marginal costing? All elements of cost can be divided into fixed and variable components. B, total fixed cost remain constant at all levels of output. Third one, the total variable cost vary in production to the volume of output. Fourth one, per unit selling price remain unchanged at the level of operating activity. So friends, select the right option from the following. A, it's all the above except 2. B, all the above except 3. D, it's all the above except 4. D, friends, all the above. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, so these are all about the 40 vital MCQs we have already discussed. So friends, so again I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming examination. And so friends, again I am requesting to all of you during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your available comment and suggest in the comment section. So accordingly I will take care in your comments. So I am again requesting to all of you, kindly share it, kindly forward it. So thanks a billion to all of you.